Welcome to Maths online class. Students, in this video, I will be explaining and solving all the remaining question of the exercise 4. And you know what is exercise 4? Exercise 4 is the cubes and cube root. And before the remaining question, firstly I will solving and explaining the previous homework of this exercise. And you know what was the previous homework. So first look here how we can find the cube and cube root. So I again re-explain in a short. This is a quick revision, like as a what is a cube and how to find the cube root of any number and what is a perfect square. So look here, what is a cube? When we write the a number raised to power 3, then we can find that number cube. Means if your question is saying what is the cube of 2, so how to find the cube of 2? When we write the cube 2 power 3, then we can find the cube of 2. 2 power 3 means 2 multiplied by how many times? 2 times 2 to the 4. So 8 is the cube of 2. 8 is the cube of 2. So this is a process. This is a method how we can find the cube of any number. And a cube root. Cube root I have explained in my previous video how to find the cube root and what is the cube root. Cube root just. So what is the cube of number? 2, 8. 8 is the cube of number and 8. What is the root of 8? Cube root of 8. So 2 will be cube root of 8. Means what is that? Multiply how many times? 3 times. Then we get the 8 and 8. When we 8 find the cube root. And by which method we find the cube root? By the prime factorization method. We find the cube root by prime factorization method. In this method what? 8 find the prime factor of 8. Then we make the group. Then we make the group of triple or 3 number, 3 like factor. Then we can find the cube root of the any number. So look here, first question is a previous homework. So what was the first question? First question was find the cube root of the given number. And in this question what is given here? 27 and 44 means 2744. So how we can find the cube root of this number? By the prime factorization method. We find by the prime factorization method. So 2744 cube root, and this symbol, you know, this is symbol of the cube root. Symbol of the cube root, this is known as a radical and this known as a radicand. Radical and radicand means if inside number, so this is a radicand. You can also say the base, and this is the power. What is the power of this number? 3. So and this is a radical. So how we can find the cube root of this number? We find by the prime factorization method. Keep in mind, any number, a square and cube root we can find by the prime factorization method. So what happening in this method? So in this method, first we find the prime factor of 2744 means this number we can only divide by the prime number. This number means in the method we can divide by only prime numbers of given number. सिर्फ prime number से divide कर सकते हो आप. So prime number means which number having only 2 factor. One and number itself is known as a prime number. So firstly we try from the 2. So yes, it's divisible by 2 because in the first division first digit is a 4. So 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 sevens are and then 2 twos are. Okay, then again divide by 2 6 are 12, 2 what 7, 2 8s are 16 and then 2 6 are again 12. Then again this is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 3s are. So this number is divisible by 3. This is not divisible by 3. This is not divisible by 5. So we can check by the 7. Yes, this is divisible by 7. 7 8s are 7 8s are what? 56 greater than 7 4s are is 28 7 5s are 35 35 is 7 4s are 7 4s are 28. So 8 then 63 7 9s are then 7 7 and then 7 1. These are a prime factor. So these prime factor we can write in index means in a radical, and like as a radicand 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. First step prime factor, then these prime factor write in a under root, and then we make the group of 3 like number. We make the group of 3 like number. 3 like number first group and 3 like number second group. So then we take out the common number, and which one is common here is 2, and multiply both number, and which one is common here is 7. So 14, what we get? 14. So 14 is the cube root of 2744. Understood? Cube root, prime factorization method. Square root, by prime and by long division method. So this was first question. Now second question. Second question, what is given? This is in a mixed fraction form is given. So don't worry about the mixed fraction. And you know how we can solve the mixed fraction. Firstly, we write in a, what is the procedure of the mixed fraction? First we write in a improper fraction. Improper fraction. So improper fraction, 64 multiplied by 5. 64 multiply this solution. So 523 upon 64, then 5 multiplied by 64, you get the 320, then 320 plus 23, we get the 343 upon 64. Okay, 343 upon 64. Now then we find the cube root of this number, and we can use the cube root sign. What is the cube root sign? This is the cube root sign, and write inside the number. So what is the number? So write inside the number. So what is saying this symbol? The same symbol saying find the cube root of this number. And how to find the cube root of a number, you know, by the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. First find the prime factor of 344 and then 64, and then we make the group of 3 number like 3 numbers. क्या करेंगे? पहले प्राइम फैक्टर फाइंड करेंगे, फिर प्राइम फैक्टर फाइंड होने के बाद हम ग्रुप बनाते हैं लाइक नंबर्स का. कितने नंबर्स होने चाहिए उस ग्रुप में? 3 नंबर्स इन ईच ग्रुप. 3 numbers, there should be 3 number in each group. So we find the prime factor of 343. You can find the 343 prime factor. This is divisible by which number? 7. Okay, then 49, then 7, 7, then 7, 1. From here 343. Understood? Then 64, prime factor of 64, 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8 za, 2, 4 za, and then 2, 2 za, 2, 1 za. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then write all the factor in the box. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we make the group and take out the group number. Groups number. So make the group. This is here is the one group of 7. Here is the 2 group of the 2. 2 groups of the 2 because 6 number. So 7 is out of bracket, out of root, and then 2 multiplied by 2. Then 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4, the cube root of 5 is to 2 of 23 upon 64, or you can write in this form. 4 ones are 4, then 3 upon 4. This is also as an answer. You can also say this is answer. This is a cube root of this number. Now question number 7, evaluate. Question is saying the evaluate of under root square, under root what? Cube root, not under root, cube root 0.216. So how we can find the decimal cube root? This is very easy. How? Because you know this decimal. You know decimal, how to convert decimal into the fraction. How we can convert? This is here's the point after the 3 digit. After the 3 digit, so denominator will be what? 1000. 1000, yes or no? Yes, 1000. Denominator will be 1000. So first step, if you have get anywhere what? Decimal number. So how we can find this cube root of the decimal number? Firstly, we convert in a fraction form. So What is the fraction form of this number? 216 upon 1000. Understood na? Yes or no? Yes, good. Then write the prime factor of these number. So how we can write the prime factor of 216 and 1000? This is a very easy. We can easily write that 216 and 1000 of prime factor. 216 prime factor 2 1s are 2 1s are, then 0 what? 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, then 2 5s are 2 4s are 2 27s are, then 3 3s are 3 9s are, then 3 3s are, then 3 1s are. So under root, and this is the 1000. So what is the prime factor of 1000? 2 500, 2 250, 2 125, 5 25, then 5 5 and 5 1. Okay, then 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Same process. Make the group of 3 numbers. We make the group of 3 numbers. So how many numbers here? The 2 and 3. So now 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by 5. 2 3 are 6 upon 10. So 6 upon 10 is the square root of 0.216, or you can also write in another form this question answer. What? 0.6. 0.6 of the cube root of 0.216. This is also answer. This question, an example of this type question. What? In a decimal form. How we can solve the decimal form of any number? Now, so we can take the another question, and this one is a like as a question number. This is a question number 2. How we can find the 0.729 cube root of the 0.729? So this is very easy. We can find the very easily 0.729. So what is that? By firstly we convert this number in a fraction form, means decimal number in a fraction form, and then we find the prime factor of the both number, means numerator and denominator, and then we take out the common number of this group. So what is a 729? Now which number this is divisible by 3? 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are, and then 3 3s are. Okay, then again 3 8s are, then 3 1s are, 3 27, 3 9, 3 3 and 3 1. Okay, this is a prime factor of this number. So but second step, what will be? 729 upon 1000. 729 upon 1000. How 1000? Because here the decimal using after the 3 digit. When the decimal any number, when the point there are after 3 digit, then denominator will be 1000. If 1 digit, then denominator will be 100. 10. If 2 digit, denominator will be 100. Understood? ये point के rule होता है. So how we can any point number convert in a fraction number? So how we can convert? According to the point or decimal place. Here decimal place, here the decimal using after the, here decimal used after the 3 digit. So denominator will be 1000. Denominator will be 1000. So you know what is 1000 prime factor? This is 1000 prime factor. And what is the prime factor of the 729? So 729 factor will be what? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied. How many times? 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5, and then 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, these are prime factor of 729 and 1000. Then take out the which group? Here is the 2 group, and here is also 2 group. Here is a 2 and 5, and here is a 3 and 3. So 3 and 3 multiply 3 and 2 and 5. That is a 9 upon 10. 9 upon 10, and you can also write the answer is a 0.9 is a cube root of the 0.729. So what is the cube root of 0.729? So cube root of 0.729 is a 0.9. So student, this was all about for today, and in the next video I will explain and solve all the remaining question of the exercise 4. So today's homework is homework, solve the exercise 4, question number 7. Question number, all the remaining are question number 7, your homework. So students, attendance, write your name, class and section in a comment box. Thank you and take care.